Hello everyone, my name is Maíra de Maiulesh. I'm a semiology professor in Pontifical Catholic University of Paraná in Curitiba, Brazil. I'm so glad to be here to share our ideas and our work with you. Thank you for having me in this amazing conference. So, this project was supported by FINAP, a public Brazilian company that promotes innovation, technology, and science across the country. This project and presentation has no conflict of interest to declare. I would like to talk a little about our history. I've always been fascinated by games. I've been using gamification along the last 5 years. Me and my colleagues are working in another ways to teaching and learning. 2 years ago, we are thinking about how we can increasing our student committed and engagement in study. In that time, we have another experiences with gamification. So let's talk about gamification. According to Carl Caps, gamification is the use of game-based mechanics, their aesthetics, and logic to engage people, motivate actions, and promote learning by solving problems. Prototyping is active and interactive process, which is only possible through a work of a multi-professional team. This project was carried out by a team of professors and students of medicine, electronic engineering, architecture, and design. All this team developed a board game based on the routine of a team of residents in a hospital. The game consisted in a hybrid board game with an electronic interface to discuss many physical examination finds and science, and with auscultation simulator that can be used by medical students or another professional healthcare workers. The board presents the floor plan of a general hospital, the Osler Galeno Hospital. In this game, students represent medical residents in a shift of 12 hours. At each round, will be challenged to recognize and diagnose cases. The game features 190 cards with clinical cases and semiology questions, more effect cards, and characters. Each player has a badge and a miniature of their character. The both of them access the patients. Players advance in board with each hit, with a series of stages of increasing difficulty through which a player may progress. These mechanics provides a tangible experience and a sense of the dynamics of the game. The board game has built with electronic interface and automatic system to count the numbers. All the system read the cards and tokens with a radio frequency technology, RFID, as well automatic count point displays. The cases can be viewed in the screen, and the students can use one of the tokens, answer tokens, to answer the questions by multiple choices. When player answers the question and the question is right, automatic point has added on his own display, and he or she can move the character token according to the number of spaces indicated on the card. Some clinical cases required sounds to be diagnosed, so the auscultation is very important in this game. When the card presents a case that needs the auscultations, the system automatically accesses the game simulator, so the student can put their own stethoscope and listen to the sound. The LCD screen shows two images of skin alterations and another pathologic signs, and it helps to understand the anatomic location of the auscultations. The gameplay evaluation were carried out in a pilot with students and professors of game design. The study of validation in the beginning of the uses in the classes was previously scheduled for March of this year, but with the outbreak of COVID, it was necessary to postpone this phase. The patent for the design mechanism and software were requested in Brazil. The same system of this board game has another expansions, like another clinical specialties and two veterinary course. The use of a serious game is an innovative tool and promote commitment, creativity, fun and teamwork for our students. The development of a new way and new innovative tools centered on student with interactive strategies and feedback can make the serious games a great option to teach the new generations. So, my take home message is we can always increase the motivation to learning and to teaching with fun and creativity. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy games like me.